What's up, YouTube? Back with the 2021 Can-Am XMR Turbo. I just got my sport roof today. Just popped it on here. I put one of the clips in. All it is a cam lock style. So it just goes on there and locks in. There's super easy twist off. Just comes right out. Put it back in. Just line it up. Stick it in there. Give it a twist, it's locked in. Simple as that. Velcro straps in the front. Come around here. And these guys just go right around the bar. Has a little slot up in here that goes through. This pulls snug. Good to go. This is what your hardware looks like. Got a little cam lock, little plastic washer, metal washer for strength, and a cushion in between. I got 4 of these guys, so putting it in with nothing in there, like that. Just pull it up. Slip this neoprene washer in there. Kind of got to line it up. Line it up with the hole. And that just slips right in there. Got a little jiggling around to do to get that lined up. Probably going to need 2 hands for that. Oh, there it goes. Done deal. Down tight. There's another strap on this side. Same thing. Little Velcro strap. I got two more cam locks to put in the back. One back here and one on the other corner. And we're good to go. Alrighty guys, I hope this helps. Just a quick tutorial for you guys on the split roof. Super duper easy. Till next time guys. Later.